All right, so this is the TELESIN. It's like a tripod, it's a selfie stick, and also has a remote control that sits nicely in there so it doesn't pop up like some of the other ones do. So yeah, this remote control kind of slides down and it stays in there. A great spot too. So overall, like you can see, it's got a really nice like design to it. It feels nice in your hand. Feels quality, really quality. You put your action camera on, or you can put your phone on there as well, because it does come with the phone mount. And this phone mount's awesome because you can pop your phone on there, but also you can swivel it around to do portrait or landscape. Perfect height for that. The remote does work with your phone. It's Bluetooth. It works with your GoPro. It is tiny and it's rechargeable by USB-C, so you can charge that thing up. But I do love the placement of it, because if you do have this extended out, and it extends out really far, like really far, further than that, yeah. And so that way, if you have it all the way extended, you can hit the record button, you can change modes, you can do things like that, so you don't have to like always bring it back in to start and stop that recording. This is probably one of the better, just really quality, better stands, so you can stand this up, and you also use that selfie stick so you can get the higher up shots you need, but like also having it sit on the ground with the tripod. Just overall, just great quality. Like for action cameras for your phone, this is definitely something I would recommend. I think that, especially like for traveling, it doesn't take up very much space. It's just one of those products that just has a lot of features to it that makes it worth taking with you. So I highly recommend this, and thanks for watching.
Now, right.